Hold up, what if I told you there are gadgets out there that will make your jaw hit the floor? 30 of the coolest tech devices on Amazon! And yes, you need to see these. From futuristic smart tools to mind-blowing accessories, we're about to show you the tech that'll upgrade your life, fast! Whether you're a die-hard gadget lover or just hunting for the next must-have device, this video is your golden ticket. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready for the wildest tech ride of your life. You won't believe what's coming next. Ever wanted to see the world in a whole new way? The Seek thermal camera turns your smartphone into a powerful thermal sensor. No extra devices needed. With a range of up to 1,000 feet, it helps you spot electrical faults, air leaks, and HVAC issues in seconds. Imagine the possibilities. Whether you're a pro or just a curious homeowner, this tool is a game changer. It's compact, no charging required. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Plus, it works in any temperature, giving you real-time thermal photos and videos. Turning any flat surface into a 32-inch screen with just one device, the Alight Cube Projector. This little powerhouse uses AI to understand your gestures and touch, making it incredibly easy to use. Whether you're presenting, playing games, or creating virtual art, this compact projector has you covered. It's small enough to fit in your backpack, so you can take it anywhere. Perfect for professionals, students, and gamers on the go. Ranvu Ace 3. Feel that heat? Cool down instantly with the Ranvu Ace 3, a smart neck air conditioner that starts cooling you in just 1 second. Perfect for hot days or outdoor activities, this wearable wonder is your personal cooling solution. And with its long battery life, it's built for sports enthusiasts and anyone on the go. Comfort, functionality, and rapid relief all in one sleek design. Don't sweat it, cool down with the Ace 3. Ready to beat the heat? Check it out now. MuTalk, mute your voice. Looking for privacy while you chat? Meet the MuTalk, a Bluetooth microphone that mutes your voice but keeps your conversations crystal clear. Perfect for gamers and professionals. It reduces your voice output significantly, so you can communicate without disturbing anyone around you. Whether you're gaming or in a meeting, your words stay private. It's the ideal solution for those who need discretion while still using a headset. Talk smart, stay silent. MuTalk's got you covered. Want to keep your voice private? Get your MuTalk today! ActiveBuds. Introducing ActiveBuds, your new smartest earbuds. These are the first earbuds integrated with ChatGPT, offering custom EQ and real-time translation at your fingertips. Compatible with any smartphone, ActiveBuds seamlessly work across all operating systems. Whether you're traveling, working, or just listening, these earbuds feature advanced noise cancellation and voice-to-text capabilities. Never miss a word, break a language barrier, or compromise on sound quality. Shipping starts in August 2023, so don't wait. Ready to upgrade your listening experience? Grab your ActiveBuds now. Xens Labs Pen Display. Creators, get ready to elevate your design game with the Xens Labs Pen Display. 24. This powerful digital tool offers over 1.7 billion colors and a 93% DCI-P3, delivering stunning visuals that will bring your work to life. Say goodbye to glare. Its anti-glare technology ensures you can design without distractions. Plus, with 2 pens, multiple USB and HDMI inputs, and a fully adjustable backstand, you've got everything you need for seamless creativity. Perfect for any serious designer, the Xens Labs Pen Display 24 is here to take your designs to the next level. Ready to create? Get yours now! Jctor Pro. Looking for a game-changing portable monitor? Meet the Jctor Pro, your new 4K wireless display solution. With a transmission distance of 25 meters and millimeter wave technology, you can mirror your desktop without interference from Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Perfect for both gaming and professional use, the Jctor Pro offers stunning visuals with zero compromise on quality. Its plug-and-play design makes setup a breeze. Just connect and go. While it's not available for purchase outside original pledges yet, this is a product you'll want to keep an eye on. Ready to level up your screen experience? Stay tuned for the Jctor Pro launch. Lifespan's Aera. Looking to bring the gym to your home? Meet Lifespan's Aera, a state-of-the-art treadmill designed for performance and style. With a sleek design and a whisper-quiet motor, it offers a smooth, comfortable run without disturbing your household. Plus, the interactive display gives you real-time metrics and access to virtual workouts to keep you motivated. It's compact, foldable, and perfect for tight spaces, storing away easily when not in use. And with advanced shock absorption, it protects your joints during every step. Ready to take your home workouts to the next level? Get the Aera and run in style, comfort, and convenience. Moju. Say goodbye to cluttered shortcuts, and hello to Moju, a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time on their computer. This customizable device lets you create shortcuts tailored to your needs. Whether you're a creator, gamer, or business pro, Moju makes your workflow smoother than ever. With 3 types of switches, slides, spinning knobs, and click buttons, each with RGB lights for easy navigation, Moju combines precision control with style. Plus, the dedicated app keeps everything up to date and synced with your favorite apps like Adobe Suite and Steam. Ready to streamline your setup and add some flair to your workspace? Get Moju today and elevate your productivity. Leemat Fixer. Tired of a cluttered desk? Meet the Leemat Fixer Mini. More than just a desk mat, it's an organizer designed to keep your workspace tidy and efficient. With built-in charging ports and a nightlight, this mat combines style and function, giving you easy access to your devices while adding a sleek touch to your setup. Its wooden magnetic fixator makes it compatible with most desk mats, offering flexibility no matter your workspace style. Ready to declutter and elevate your workspace? Say goodbye to mess and hello to the Leemat Fixer Mini. Irvin Eye Home Security just got a serious upgrade with the Irvin Eye. Think Tony Stark's Jarvis, but for your property. With AI-driven facial recognition, it learns who's a regular and who's a stranger, spotting threats before they even have a chance to escalate. Plus, it can detect weapons with uncanny precision and monitor your packages like a digital guard dog that never sleeps. Full integration with Google and Amazon Assistants makes it the perfect smart home companion, giving you real-time alerts whether you're upstairs or across the globe. And at just $200, $350, it's a fraction of the cost of traditional systems. Get smarter security for less. Lurie R1 Scooter. Urban transportation is getting a revolutionary upgrade with the Lurie R1, a 3-in-1 e-scooter that doubles as a mobile power station. This sleek ride features a built-in 100W solar panel, charging while you're parked and giving you the cleanest energy on the planet. Need to power your laptop or small appliances on the go? The 300W AC output has you covered, even from a scooter. With a top speed of 25 mph and a range of 45 km, the Lurie R1 climbs hills effortlessly and gets you where you need to go without guilt. All this for just $899, $1,199, an investment in both your mobility and the planet. Ready to ride the future? Get your Lurie R1 today and go green while you cruise. Vaazon Selfie Stand. APV10. Ready to step up your content creation game? The Vaazon APV10 consolidates an entire studio's worth of gear into one sleek, elegant package. This adjustable mount cradles your phone, yes, even the chunkiest models, with ease, and the overhead arm gives you those perfect top-down shots for your meal prep or product unboxing videos. With 5 brightness levels, 3 color temperatures, and a 360-degree rotatable neck, you'll get professional quality shots every time, plus 12 hours of battery life on a single charge. And the best part? The Bluetooth remote lets you trigger shots from 10 meters away. No awkward arm stretches required. All this for just $80 or $130. Creating stunning content has never been this easy or affordable. Full Swing Golf Kit Launch. Monitor golf training just leveled up. Welcome to the future with the full swing golf kit. This isn't your average swing trainer. With a 16-point radar system, it captures every nuance of your swing, from club path to impact position, with the precision of a diamond cutter. The high-resolution video capture acts like a coach who never blinks, offering instant feedback on distances, speeds, and angles. The mobile app tracks your progress, turning random swings into a data-driven improvement story. What if the power of a desktop fit into something smaller than a hardcover book? Introducing the Neo AM01S Mini PC, where cutting-edge power meets portability. Powered by the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 with 12 cores, this tiny beast handles intense computing tasks with ease, like a weightlifter picking up groceries. RDNA 3.5 graphics satisfy both designers and gamers, while AI acceleration cores make quick work of complex tasks. The 4-inch touchscreen acts as your command center, handling quick tasks without needing external displays. With DDR5 RAM and dual M2 SSD slots, it never feels constrained, even in its compact form. Tired of bulky towers? The Neo AM01S gives you desktop-level power in a mobile, sleek package. Ready to experience the future of computing? Get yours today. SpaceTop G1. Tired of the cluttered desk and constant tab switching? Meet the SpaceTop G1, the future of Workspace. Imagine unlimited virtual screens floating right in front of you. All you need are these super light 85G glasses. No more cramming everything onto a tiny screen. With SpaceOS and the Snapdragon QCS 8550 chip, it's like stepping into Tony Stark's lab. Your information right where you need it, disappearing when you're done. Whether you're in a crowded cafe or an airport lounge, this pocket-sized gadget gives you endless virtual workspace. No more switching between tabs. Remote work just found its missing piece. Ready to revolutionize how you work? The SpaceTop G1. Privacy and endless screen real estate, all in one sleek package. XGriter robot coding education often feels too abstract, making it hard to stay engaged when success is measured by text on a screen. Enter the XGriter robot, which bridges this gap by providing immediate, physical feedback that turns learning into play. When a child's code works, the robot doesn't just display a message. It moves, makes sounds, and interacts, bringing programming concepts to life. With an open-source system that evolves as skills develop and ChatGPT integration that turns learning into a conversation, the XGriter makes even advanced AI concepts easy to grasp. Plus, for parents worried about too much screen time, it provides a perfect balance. Digital skills with tangible, real-world results. As AI hardware becomes more accessible, the XGriter is changing how we teach tech, making coding fun instead of homework. Mini display with customizable themes. Tired of the same old boring workspace? This compact display brings a splash of personality to your desk with customizable themes that reflect your unique style. Easily show the time, weather, and personal photos. And with vibrant colors and GIF support, you have the freedom to get creative. For just $18, say goodbye to digital monotony and give your desk a fresh new look. Desk enthusiasts and content creators love the retro PC design, and its compact size fits perfectly into various desk setups. While the small screen may affect readability for some, it's a must-have for anyone looking to personalize their workspace. As people increasingly look to make their desks their own, this little display is a game changer. Fast charger. Say goodbye to the hassle of juggling chargers with this multi-port device that handles several electronics from a single outlet. Seamlessly compatible with both Apple and Samsung devices, it solves the compatibility issues that often come with cheaper alternatives. You can charge up to 4 gadgets at once through its multiple USB ports. At just $36, it's a cost-effective solution compared to buying separate brand-name chargers. Perfect for travelers and families, especially in hotels with limited outlets. Now you never have to choose between charging your phone or tablet. This little powerhouse keeps all your devices ready when you need them most. Phone Cooler Mobile Gaming just got a major upgrade with this specialized phone cooling device, designed by thermal engineers to tackle performance throttling. By using conductive materials and active airflow, it reduces your phone's temperature by about 15 degrees during intense gaming or processing. The magnetic attachment ensures a secure fit without disrupting touchscreen functionality. Tests show a 20-30% boost in frame rates, eliminating heat-induced lag and throttling. At 56 $, it's an investment that protects your smartphone from heat damage and extends battery life. As mobile processors keep pushing thermal limits, cooling technology like this will soon be essential for anyone serious about performance. Laser Measurement Device. Transform measurement into an art of precision with this technological marvel. Capable of generating laser measurements up to 98 feet with 0.1-inch accuracy, it turns guesswork into certainty. Weighing less than 6 ounces and designed to fit perfectly in your hand, this device makes complex measurements a one-click operation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, you'll be amazed at how quickly what once felt complicated becomes effortless. When accuracy is the key to success, this device is your silent professional partner. At $40, it's a small investment for absolute perfection. Scarper eBike. Your trusty bike has been hiding its true potential. Until now. The innovative Scarper kit unlocks that power with a simple click. Weighing just 4.4 kilograms, it propels riders up to 25 km/h with a 50-kilometer range per charge. Developed with Red Bull Advanced Technologies, it delivers smooth power without the jerky acceleration of cheaper options. Easy to remove, it lets you switch between regular riding or secure storage whenever needed. Unlike basic throttles, this system responds proportionally to your pedaling effort, making every ride feel natural. That hill you've been avoiding on your commute? It just became the scenic route you'll actually look forward to conquering. Kamingo. Hey riders, ever wanted to turn your regular bike into an e-bike without the crazy price tag? Well, meet Kamingo with 3 simple pieces: the motor, battery, and controller. And the best part? It fits in your bag and attaches like a breeze. No tools, no fuss, just pure power. Glide uphill, slash your commute time, and ride farther, effortlessly. The Kamingo makes riding feel like a dream. Ready for the revolution?